1, 2. You see? You can't take 2. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This exercise now is totally for what? For waist pain. This exercise is for waist pain. If you're having a waist pain, like waist pain, this exercise is simple for you to do at home if you're having a waist pain. So guys, let me show you. You got to stand like this. If you're having a waist pain, you stand like this. You see? Simple exercise that you can do. If you're having a waist pain, then you stand. Just push your leg like this. Then you do like this. Easy. You check it. 1. You count 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? You can go back. You hold it. You count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you put your hand here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can touch the floor. 1, 2, 3. Touch your foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do, change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can change to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? So your waist pain, you can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, this is the simple exercise that you can do at home if you're having a waist pain. This exercise is for you. Simple exercise you can do at home if you're having a waist pain for beginners. Make sure you do like, subscribe, share it to people.